So I'm going to be painting with this thing again today. I was going to tape the corners, just decided not to last minute. That's crooked. I'm sorry. Yeah. This time I'm just going to be pouring the colors into it. All the colors I am using will be linked in the description. And the silicone oil. Roman's decided to come and hang out with me tonight for some reason, which is nice. I'm excited to see what this is gonna do, considering I'm just gonna be like ing it everywhere, so. Ah! Didn't mean to do that. That was wild. I actually, like, I don't know what I've done to do this, but I've managed to make stress welts on myself somehow, and I don't know. That's Roman getting a stick, by the way. Apparently, paper's coming down on him, and he's being all like, eh. Ah! I'm throwing it out the sides. I'm gonna put some more gray. And kind of just drag it around. Ooh, that's different. I kind of want to do that with it though. Yeah, okay. And Matilde. I want to see if it's going to be different if I don't torch it this time. So, like I was saying, stress welts, weird. I don't know where they've come from. They just decided to start. I'm not terribly upset about it though. They're just weird. The other day we went for a walk, which was nice. We went down to our lakefront because we live near Lake Ontario, so it's easy enough for us to just scoot down to the lakefront and go for a walk down there. They recently put in a new playground down there, which is just so nice and cool, and I'll post a picture of what it looks like from the top because we went at like 6 o'clock in the morning. So that's no big deal. I almost don't have enough paint to cover this. So I add some gray to the corner to help kind of glide the rest of it down, hopefully. Ooh, it's breaking. So, yeah, post a picture of the view from the top, because wild. Just making sure my corners are good.